In primetime news this evening, another minister out. J.C. Hutchinson removed from Agriculture Ministry amidst controversy. Under fire, Health Ministry faces more questions about contracts with marketing firm MarketMe. And unsolicited proposal? How did MarketMe get 2 major contracts without competition? Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what are your thoughts on the Prime Minister's decision to transfer J.C. Hutchinson to the OPM amid a controversial land deal in St. Elizabeth?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.